Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Creative Math Academy. I am Mohammed Ali, mathematics teacher. Today we try to solve some question from DP1 AA SL Trigonometry equation and identities chapter 9, exercise 9A.3. The first question, solve for x on the domain x greater than equals to 0, less than equals to 2 pi. A number is given cos x equals to half. Keep in mind our interval will be x greater than equals to 0, less than equals to 2 pi. So x equals to cos inverse half. You have to convert your calculator in radian mode. Cos inverse half means pi by 3. One thing you have to remember about the quadrant, this is all, that one is sine, this is tan, that one is cos. So this interval is 0 to pi by 2. This is pi by 2 to pi. This is pi greater than pi less than 3 pi by 2. And that one is 3 pi by 2, x greater than 3 pi by 2, less than 2 pi. That means this 0 to pi by 2, everything is positive here. This is pi by 2 to pi, only sign is positive here. And pi to 3 pi by 2. In degree, it is 182, 270 degree, only 10 is positive over there. And 3 pi by 2, that means 270 to 360 degree, only cos is positive here. Now, x we get here, x equals to pi by 3. This is in the first quadrant. Cos is positive in the first quadrant and fourth quadrant. So if we want to find out another result where cos is positive, so we will get from 2 pi, you have to subtract pi by 3. How? From here to here, this is 2 pi. From 2 pi, if you subtract any basic acute angle, it will lies in the fourth quadrant. That means house of cos, where cos is positive. Now simplify, we will get here 6 pi minus pi by 3. So 5 pi by 3. So final answer, x equals to pi by 3 or x equals to 5 pi by 3. So A number answer, A number maths completed. Question number B, sine x equals to minus 1 by root over 2. So we want to find out the x value. So x equals to, keep minus outside, sine inverse 1 by root 2. So sine inverse 1 by root 2, it is pi by 4. Therefore, x equals to minus pi by 4. Our interval is 0 to 2 pi. So here, this minus symbol indicate we will search where sine is negative. Sine is negative in the third quadrant and fourth quadrant. But result must become in the positive sign because our interval is positive. So how will you get? X equals to, from here to here, this is pi. This is pi. So if we add some acute angle with pi, it's come in the third quadrant. So we have to write here pi plus pi by 4. If we simplify, we'll get here 5 pi by 4. So another result where sine is negative, up to this is 2 pi. From here to here, this is 2 pi. From 2 pi, if we subtract any acute angle, we'll get 7 pi by 4. So our answer will be x equals to 5 pi by 4 or x equals to 7 pi by 4. This is B number maths. B number 10x equals to 1 by root 3. So x equals to 10 inverse 1 by root 3. So we'll get here 10 inverse 1 by root 3. It will be pi by 6. Now 10 is positive in the first quadrant and third quadrant. This result lies in the first quadrant. If we want to get the result in the third quadrant, we have to add pi by 6 with pi. Pi plus pi by 6. So we'll get here 7 pi by 6. So our answer will be x equals to pi by 6 or 7 pi by 6. Question number C completed. Question number D, sin x equals to minus 1. So sin x equals to minus 1 or sin x equals to plus 1 or sin x equals to 0, cos x equals to 0. So this type of function, this type of equation, if we want to find out, if we want to solve it, we have to depend upon the graph, sine graph. That means it's 0, it is pi by 2, it is pi, it's 3 pi by 2, and that one is 2 pi. Maximum value is 1, minimum value is minus 1. Now in sine, when sine x 0, when x value 0, it's 0. When x value pi by 2, sine pi by 2, result is 1. When pi, result is 0. When 3 pi by 2, sine 3 pi by 2, result is minus 1. When 2 pi, sine is again 0. Now we want to find out when we get sin x result is minus 1. We found here, after observing the y equals to sin x graph, when x value 3 pi by 2, we get sin x equals to minus 1. So we have to write here result x equals to 3 pi by 2. Okay. Now we try to do cos x equals to 0. Cos x equals to 0. We again try to sketch cos x graph. It is 0. That one is pi by 2. This is pi. That one is 3 pi by 2. That one is 2 pi. The maximum value is 1 here. Minimum value is minus 1 here. When x value 0, cos x equals to 1. When x value pi by 2, cos x equals to 0. When x value pi, cos x equals to minus 1. When x value 3 pi by 2, then is cos 3 pi by 2. So result is 0. When x value 2 pi, cos x equals to 1. So if we sketch this curve, so we found here when x value pi by 2, cos x equals to 0. So we have to write here x equals to pi by 2. And when x value 3 pi by 2, cos x equals to 0 or 3 pi by 2. Final answer, x equals to pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2. So these are the answer, E number. F number, 10x equals to 0. So we try to sketch this graph. It is 0. pi by 2. It is pi. It is 3 pi by 2. That one is again 2 pi. So in 10x graph, pi by 2 is the asymptote. Pi by 2 is asymptote. That means we will not get any result. 10 pi by 2 is infinity, undefined. 10 3 pi by 2 also undefined. When x value is 0, 10x equals to 0. So this curve will be like this. This curve will be like this. This curve will be like this. So if we observe this curve, here you will see when x value is 0, 10x equals to 0. When x value pi, 10x equals to 0. When x value 2 pi, 10x equals to 0. So from this graph, we can write x equals to 0, x equals to pi, x equals to 2 pi. Answer, x equals to 0, pi, or 2 pi. So I think everybody understood all of these maths. Step by step, I tried to show you how can you find out the value of x. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any confusion, feel free to contact with me. Thanks a lot.